So starting off with the coloring process, you guys, I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like and what I lifted it to. So I got this tip from Slade by Jordan. He had did a burgundy color on one of his channel and one of his videos, and he basically said that you don't need to lift the hair to like a really light blonde. You just need to lift it a little bit and the color will still take to the hair nicely. So that's pretty much what I did. I just left the bleach on probably for just 20 minutes at the most just to get this kind of light brown color that you guys see. So this part's going to be pretty self-explanatory. I just mixed the color together. I followed the instructions on the box for the amount to mix together and the time frame to leave it on there. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me Okay, really quickly before I do wrap this video up, I do want to be sure to tell you guys, this hair is from West Kiss Hair. This is one of their HD lace body wave wigs. Now, I did buy this wig a couple of months ago, one of their HD lace body wave frontal wigs, probably almost a year ago. I'll link that video down below if you guys haven't watched that yet, just so you can kind of see how good the frontal wig is, because this one is actually their closure wig. So this is a 6x6 HD lace body wave closure wig from them, and the lace is absolutely flawless. Like I said, I already previously got one of their HD lace wigs, and that one happens to be my favorite. I mentioned it in my top favorites video. I think I really emphasized on it being my favorite in the original hair review video that I did for that as well. So like I said, check that out if you are indecisive on this particular hair company, or if you just want to know how I feel about their frontal wigs, because I can tell you guys this closure wig is no different than that. It's still great. It's still the good same quality of hair. The lace on it is absolutely flawless, and I love the way that this color turned out. I was going for like a burgundy brown color, so I'm so glad that I found this in Sally's. I'm not sure where else you can get it at, but I know for a fact that I got the Ion hair color specifically from Sally's. If you're interested in achieving this same color, hopefully you guys can see it on camera. This is one of those colors where you can see it a lot more when I'm actually in the sunlight. Then you can see all the beautiful hues of the hair. You get some of that brown but some of that red, but it's not like a 99J color either, if that makes any sense, because that's what it kind of looks like on camera, a little bit like a dark 99J, but you would have to see it in the light. Okay, so I do have this wig in 28 inches, and I did go in and put a little bit of layers here in it because I know that I wanted to curl it. I knew that I would have not been able to get this look if I would have just left it all at 28 inches and tried to curl it. The curls would have been more so at the bottom and not here at the top. Like, I have the volume that I wanted, and then the density on this wig is 200% density, so it's nice and full. I really love their HD lace. I have had nothing but good experiences with it. This is a 6x6 lace closure, so you get that nice 6 inches of parting space there. And overall, I just feel like this is such a really good wig. It did have a few flyaway hairs at the top. You guys know flyaway hairs can be a little bit annoying, but all I did was go in with a little bit of hairspray and spray it over the top, and that was pretty much it. But I could say that the hair takes the color well. I did bleach the knots and pluck my closure just a tad bit. I need to probably comb my baby hairs out so they're not looking so hard. Give me a second, you guys. So yeah, I do hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me color this hair and then installing it, of course, completely glueless. I could easily just use my spray bottle and spray some water along the hairline, and then the wig is going to come off just like that, which is what I'll be doing later on tonight because I don't sleep in my wig. So this is a great wig, you guys. If you find yourself being interested in it, I will go ahead and leave the link for everything down below. The color that I use, I'll be sure to put that down there as well. And if you guys have any questions, as always, you guys can feel free to ask me, and I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.